Big family. My name is LENSBLING. If it's your first time stepping in, you're definitely welcome. And sis, you got to subscribe. And also don't forget to click the notification bell down below, so anytime I will upload a video, you will notice and you will know. Anyway guys, so today's video is all about hair collaboration. So I have a hair collaboration with Trendy Tress. I think I can say Trendy. I don't know how to pronounce it, but they sent me 5-pack of hair of crochet braid hair. I'll put all the link of this hair in the description down below, so if you're interested about this hair, make sure you check the description down below because all the links are going to be there. And also guys, I'm not gonna lie about this hair. This hair is actually really soft. I'm not gonna lie, I didn't put a lot of product on it because I don't want it to be like kind of dry, if you know what I mean. 1 pack of the hair is actually $1.99 and it's 18 inches, and I just cut it because I want it to be short, but normally the hair is like past my boobs. As I said, I'll put all the link in the description down below so you guys can check whatever you want. So I'm not gonna lie about this hair, it's actually really soft, it's actually manageable, and I feel like if I rock in a roll with it guys, I will actually get your man. I'm just joking. Oh my god, I'm just joking. So guys, this is how the packaging look like. They sent me 5-pack in color 1B/27, and as you can see, the package is really attractive. You can see how the curls are popping. I accidentally deleted the video where I was showing the hair, but I just want to show you how the hair looks like on picture. But well guys, you will see how the hair look like at the end of the video, so it's not that deep. Today before I did this hair, I asked my friend to do the candles for me. Shout out to my friend Chocolate City for this hair that she did for me. I literally told her how I want it to be. I want it to be that round because I just want it to put in ponytail sometimes, if you know what I mean. But guys, I just gonna let you watch the video and catch you soon. Just to clarify some important step guys, make sure the crochet is open before you have to insert it in your hair, and also when the crochet is inside your hair, make sure you close the crochet because it's really important, otherwise you're gonna lose your hair or otherwise it's gonna hurt you. So let me tell you guys, I'm going to moisturize this hair for it to look a little bit more nicer. I know it looks nice at the moment, but I want it to look flat, if you know what I mean. But first of all, I'm going to use water, contour conditioner, and contour daily oil. I think that's what I put inside. This is not the original product in the bottle. Yeah, I'm going to just put in my hair and start to detangle it for the curls to pop up and for everything to look nice. So first of all, I'm just gonna shake it and start applying into my hair. This is how you do the apply. And now I'm just gonna detangle it with my fingers, like so. Can you see the curl popping? Yeah, that's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for the curl to pop out. So I'm still gonna put the water and hair conditioner on it for my curls to pop out. Let's say guys, it's really important to detangle the hair after when you style it. It's really important to detangle the hair so that you can define all the curls. So yeah, that's what I'm doing now.
This is how the hair looks like, guys.
So soft, and this hair is actually really nice. I personally recommend the hair to you guys because I feel like this hair is actually good and it's actually decent for a crochet braid. I'm not gonna lie, as I said, the hair is actually really soft. I didn't have like any, you know, when you do the crochet braid, everything was actually good. I didn't have any problem with it. The hair was actually so soft. And yeah guys, I'll put all the description down below, as I said, for you guys to go check. That was it guys. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. I sing this every single day, I know. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Tell me what you want to see next on my video and I will do it for you guys because you know I care. Guys, I want you to do actually something for me. If you knew that my English was not good, please comment down below and put the right one that I have to say next time, because you know English is not my first language, French is. But guys, yeah, we're still learning every day, so
We move. Bye, guys.